I recently watched With Love Meghan on Netflix, and I have to say that I really enjoyed it. It's a delightful, light-hearted, relaxing lifestyle show that sees Meghan, Duchess of Sussex, sharing recipes, kitchen hacks, and hosting ideas. As someone who finds comfort in cozy, calming cooking shows, this was right up my street. And if you do too, then definitely ignore the hate-filled reviews from the press and give it a watch. I've noted down at least 5 recipes from the show that I would like to try. Here's one of them. In episode 1, she makes this single-skillet pasta dish that she says is a family favorite. It features simple ingredients, is pretty healthy, and easy to make. By cooking everything in one pot, the starchy pasta water takes on a creamy quality. So of course I decided to give it a try myself. Start with a punnet of different colored tomatoes and cut them in half. Toss into your pan and add a generous sprinkle of salt. Next, chop up some garlic. I went for 3 cloves. Throw that in along with a generous glug of olive oil. I believe she used spaghetti in her recipe, so I'm using some whole wheat spaghetti here. This is the type I always buy. It goes straight into the pan as well. Grate on the zest from 1 lemon for some bright citrus notes. Then pour in some boiling hot water, enough to cover the pasta. Bring to the heat, cover and boil for 5 minutes. In the meantime, chop up some greens. She uses kale and chard, which is what I have here. I simply slice them relatively thinly. After 5 minutes, the lid comes off the pasta and the greens go in. Then you want to leave it to cook uncovered for another 5 minutes or until the pasta is cooked to your liking. Leaving the lid off allows some of that water to evaporate and creates a thickened sauce. Towards the end of the cooking time, add a big handful of rocket and a bit of grated cheese. I'm using a vegan cheese. Then finish off with some red chili flakes for some heat. And that's it. Serve it up, making sure to include some of those delicious blistered tomatoes, and garnish with some fresh basil and extra cheese if you want. As I imagine, the pasta is delicious. I like the simplicity of the flavors. I could really taste the citrus from the lemon zest, and the tomatoes were soft and almost caramelized. If I were to do anything differently, I'd probably saute the garlic first, and maybe add some mushrooms as well for added texture. Overall, it's a quick and accessible meal that I will likely make again. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you try this method of cooking pasta? Have you seen the show yet? If so, what did you think? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!